What up, little rubber ducks? Say, no, hi. I've been smoking out of the yellow submarine before I retire it. And tonight I am eating some medical marijuana pork chop. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Grab my knife here. Look at that good old pork chop. I'll show you a better view. Just give me a second. Straight out of Mad Mel's kitchen. Working with some can of butter. That is good. Got some pork chop, green beans, and some good old applesauce. Pork chop goes really good with applesauce. Take a break from that for a minute. Get it all up. Let's get a hit from the Bong, if I can find a lighter. There we go. Get the yellow submarine. It's all packed. See that? Some I got drying in the closet. Yes, that was a really good hit. Put that up for later. Go back to the pork chop. And let me show you this pork chop. It's real good.